Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth, baby.
Now he come with the thirst. Ay, work, pose.
Y'all wanna know what's in this bag? Because I just got it. It's literally my new camera. I'm not gonna do an unboxing video, but yeah, this is my Sony camera. It's time to take vlogs to a new level. And then after that, I got a tripod and it's really cute. I like it. Very sturdy. So yeah, I'm about to start vlogging on my channel with this camera and you'll see it in this new video. Good morning, y'all. It's officially morning time and I'm tired out of my mind. Don't mind what's on my face. Your girl's been breaking out, okay? That's just the explanation for that. So I had to spot treat a little bit to get it together because I've been stressed. So I was invited to a President's Day brunch and it actually starts at 10 in the morning. So I have to hurry up and go get ready. Y'all, it's come to the point where, I don't know, I just like, when I'm doing my makeup, I just be watching like motivational videos or videos that I be like needing to know about like grad school or law school, and like videos that can motivate me, videos that talk about like stuff that I'm interested in, like in entrepreneurship, how-to and tutorials. Like that's what I be watching. I don't even listen to music no more or watch TV while I'm doing my makeup. Like I just be watching videos on YouTube. And just because of that, I want to be a sense of motivation to y'all if I can. I mean, I really don't know if I can, but I would love to. So I just want to make this little topic about not settling for less than your best. That's something I learned in 5th grade and I flew with it. But I don't know, I kind of want to say I didn't really put that into action until I got into high school and actually started taking it serious. Because I used to feel offended when a teacher would give me like a low grade on something I felt I did my best in or something. And that's when it all began. Like I was not settling for less. I would petition for those grades. I would get that grade change. And next thing you know, I was on AB honor roll. I've always had like good ABs and whatever. But I was on AB honor roll. And then that semester after, I was getting straight A's because I'm like, hold up, because this works. Like being an overachiever, it's okay. People used to be like, girl, you got a 90. Be fine with it. And I'm like, no. If I feel like I deserved over 95, then yeah, I feel like I deserve that. So, I mean, that also ties into knowing what you deserve, knowing your self-worth. Of course, you got to have the background, like the work ethic and the hard work and, you know, the work to prove that. But don't settle for less. Like, always give it your all. Like when it comes to work or it comes to school or anything, like you better go after for what you deserve. Okay. Y'all, I just tried this new MAC foundation powder and I actually kind of like it. I use a thing it came with. So I gotta give me a nice brush that I could be pre-washing just for this. And then I just apply my concealer, did my eyebrows and my lashes, and I'm doing my lip liner, and then I'm done. I'm not doing like all the contour, highlight. We're not doing all that today because I'm actually late. It's 9:10, but the thing starts at 10 a.m. So I have to hurry up. So guys, I'm literally about to go into the rooms. It's for student organizations, and I founded my own organization called Prestige Organization. If you go to my school, I'm gonna list the Instagram here so y'all can join my organization. But so yes, I founded this organization. It's the President's Brunch with the president of the school, the whole university, and all the presidents from every organization here at our school. So I got invited and we're gonna have a brunch and it's gonna be nice.
10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a start. It get plenty things kind of life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck.
Oh, I want to do
Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown. still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second, fluent and passive aggression.
Intersection. So we could try to get that space acquired, which we're having conversations now. Yeah. So to your point, Jay, I think one thing until we get a Walmart on campus is that.
Oh. I don't know if it'll fall.
Okay, y'all, so the brunch was very nice. I didn't eat that much, and I actually interacted and talked to other organizations. I collaborated. The president was talking about stuff like, he was asking our suggestions. We was talking about more parking. We was talking about more restaurants on campus. We was talking about all that. So I'm really glad that he sat there, took the time to listen. And I just met some cool people that was really confident, taking a stand and everything. So that was really, really cool. And then they had so much food, so much more brunch. But I'm going somewhere else. I'm about to go to a photography class. So I was like, dang, do I walk in with food? I wish they had to-go place, but I felt so greedy trying to ask, you know? So at the end of the day, I still took some. I just took some French toast and bacon. And then I got me a little this, but I'm finna walk. And I got my bag, but we just finna make it work. I'm going to my photography class.
All the evidence, everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a
Yeah, they keep saying elevator entrance this way, but I'm literally lost because they closed the entrance. Like, y'all supposed to go out here. I've never been out here. What is it? Yeah, if only y'all knew how agitated I was. Like, it's literally 12:30, which means I was like 10 minutes late. So I've been looking for this place for 20 minutes. The lobby was closed, so I had to find the elevator. The elevator is not in the main building, so I had to go all around and somebody had to show me. I went through dust and dirt to find the elevator. So now finally I'm up here and it says room 401, but nobody's in 401. Matter of fact, 401 is a conference room for like professors. So I'm so confused because I actually really wanted to take this photography class and I don't know where it's at. And there's no update, email, and a room change or anything. So it's giving unprofessional. I don't know, but you know, I'm gonna make the best of it. I'm probably just gonna take a walk. It's some good weather right now. And I'm probably just gonna go to the CMI building, which is for like creatives. I'm probably just gonna see what's up there. There's always something for me to do there, like the studio, and I have a studio session at 1:15, so that might be fun too. Oh yeah, by the way, y'all, that food that I had took, I had way too much in my hand. I had to throw it away, and I really want to give it to the homeless people. I asked them, like, can we give the food to the homeless people? They was like, no, because what if the homeless people have an issue? They're gonna try to sue the school. I don't know, it was a long story. I was trying to have a conversation with them. I kind of see where they're going with it, but then again, homeless people need food. Like, they could have had a nice brunch on a nice Friday, but whatever. Y'all, my hair is like cute but ugly at the same time, but it's okay. Am I cute on the dress? Oh my god, I wore the wrong underwears, but you know I'm on my cycle, so can't be cute all the time. Y'all see how thick I'm getting? Y'all see it? Do y'all see it? Okay, period. If y'all see it, that's all that matters.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh?
Y'all, I was still not used to talking to myself in public, but I'm trying to face my fear right now while people staring at me too.
Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby, got ego twice the size.
Now, somebody stopped recording me because they wanted to know if I was a model. I was gonna cross the street, but let me not vlog and cross the street and be in trouble. Okay, so I'm crossing the street. But yeah, somebody asked me in my model. They stopped me and everything. So I was like, yeah. So he asked me for my Instagram. Cause y'all know I do model. This is where some of my classes are held. Creative Media Institute Industries. I love it. It's my favorite building. It's new.
Never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid.
So I kind of feel like this vlog was just a little bit boring. But look, that's a little bit of my life. I have fun college days, my boring college days like this one. So I have a studio session at 1:15 till 3 o'clock. So you're probably wondering, you do music? Yeah, kind of. All right, and I sing and I rap. I'm just like really about to get started. I've wanted to do this since I was 12 years old.
Doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us.
Okay, y'all, so I am about to kind of like record. Y'all, let me show y'all. This is my music notebook. It is a composition book, but it's so cute, y'all. I hate plain composition books. I always have to have it with some little razzle dazzle. But you know me, I'm kind of extra. But anyways, so yes, I have a couple songs that needs to be written. So I'm about to use this time to kind of write. And if I have time, I'll also be recording at the same time. Not so much professionally, just to test out the waters. But yeah, y'all, I've been writing music and trying to kind of like making music. I've always had an interest in music since I was I've been singing since I was like 6, and like as far as like trying to take music serious, I've been trying to do that since I was 12. But it's the one thing I've always been scared to do and too shy to do. Like, I actually hate how scared and shy I am to do it, so that kind of sucks. But I think this year, this 2023 year, I am actually ready to take the steps to move forward, face my fears, and just kind of go out with it. Because y'all, we're in the era where anybody can make a song and it goes anywhere. It don't even matter how bad it sounds. It don't even matter if they're mumbling. It don't even matter what they're talking about. Like, so it's like, why do I sit here and self-critique myself so bad to the point where I'm just shy and just kind of just too shy to put my music out? So I need to just actually take it serious, because my dad, he did music in Nigeria for so many years, and he always says like I'm taking after him. But it's like, I can't even sit here and put myself out. So I'm gonna try to trap myself in this room and write.
She said you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything too. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Ain't that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything to me. She from the jungle. She from the jungle. I take somebody else's car. Try that undercover.
Shout out to my producer for like about beats, and I just finished kind of like signing the contracts for them. I'm actually so excited. It's the first beats that I ever like purchased on myself, and the producer really worked well with me. He's just not based in Atlanta with me, so I do have to find an engineer soon. But you know, I need to get out of my shell first and actually finish the song. Like, kind of, I like this lighting. Like, y'all, if y'all ever feel like y'all don't have good lighting, just lean back, put the device, your phone, your camera, you know, to the sky, so the light that's up, you know, like up, can shine on you. Does that make sense? I don't know how to describe that. I feel like I sound dumb, but like, it's it. So y'all, it's been 4 hours and I didn't record anything. I finished writing one song and I wanted to work on the other song. I'm now oily. I have oily skin, so I'm not oily. And wrapping up,
I'm about to get ready to go home. Unfortunately, it is traffic era. I mean, it is traffic time. I'm really about to get home, take a shower, take the makeup off, kind of wrap my hair up, and probably take a nap because I got no sleep. I went to sleep at 6 in the morning. I had to wake up at 8 in the morning to get ready for the president's brunch. So I'm tired. I'm gonna wake up, and I'm just gonna work on some law school stuff and study for the LSAT for law school, and I'm probably gonna call it a night. Y'all, so I literally came home and forgot I had a new iPad waiting on me that I've been super excited to get. I really actually wanted the pink iPad, but I didn't get it because, to be honest, I would have put a case over it anyways. So I'm definitely still content with this. Also, don't mind my nails, I'm getting it done. Alrighty. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. I'm just gonna go for my
3 hours later.
So, you know, the regular schmegler iPad. I'm actually excited, guys. Like, the reason I'm excited is because I see this, the fast charger. I don't have the fast charger because I have an outdated phone. But yes, super exciting. I think they call this a Seaport. Something like that. I don't know. I know you're looking at me now. Stop it. And you know, the good thing about getting a new iPad device is you get unlimited chargers. Now, let's get to the device itself. Literally there she is. Not my ring lights color. I think I got space gray. This is space gray. This is how it looks. So I'm definitely excited to turn it on. Let's get it on. Is that how you turn on, right? I'm pressing it. Okay, maybe I gotta hold it down. There we go. Okay, set up as I want to continue. Y'all can't see my password. Connecting. Okay. On new iPad, keep this phone near your new iPad while your information is transferred. I love this because it's just like literally simple and easy. Take a few minutes. So it's asking, do I want to transfer apps and data to this iPad? The reason I'm going to say I do have another iPad, I'm gonna say no, because the reason I'm doing that, I just want a fresh new iPad. Just for like editing purposes, and also I'm going to use this for my 360 business. So definitely going to customize. I'm just going to start by adjusting like all of my settings, I guess, and then I'm definitely going to go right to the App Store and download a few apps. I'm thinking of getting an Apple Pencil soon, and also I'm gonna get a case and a screen protector for this soon. So I'm actually very excited for that. I have to learn. If you guys see my old iPad, it's right there. I had an iPad mini again, and literally all I can really use it for is like games, like old games, and like a clock. How do I? Oh my god, I feel like an old lady. Okay, boom, that's what I want to do. So I'm excited to go on the App Store, and I'm gonna literally have fun with my iPad. So I will catch y'all later, besties. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.